Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Boardwalk Inn Resort to do a full room tour of an accessible resort view club level room. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and was recently remodeled.
Actually, all the rooms at this resort were recently remodeled, and we love the new theming and the new things they've done in the rooms. This room does have a tub with grab bars. It does not have a roll-in shower. They don't actually have a roll-in shower accessible option that is club level, so this is about as close as we're going to get.
Let's go check it out.
So when you hit the door with the magic band, it does have an automatic opener for you. And of course, we also have that lower peephole there on the door. As you come in here over on the right, you can see the bathroom. We've got that large sliding door to close it off, and there is a lock on the door. There is just the one bathroom in here, everything in one room. You can see over on this side, we have our toilet with the grab bars all around there. A nice piece of artwork on the wall here with Mickey and Minnie and Donald and Daisy out there in Crescent Lake. Love the new artwork in these rooms. Here across from the toilet, we also have our vanity. Of course, there's space underneath to roll under that. Pretty good amount of counter space up here. The only thing is this makeup mirror, I think, would be kind of out of reach depending on how close you are to the counter there. You've got the mirror above the sink as well. You got some toiletries over there in the corner, and then our tub. It is not a roll-in shower, it is a tub shower combo. We've got those grab bars at a couple different heights there. We've got the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there. We have a shower head up top, the stationary one, and we also have the detachable shower head that has the adjustable height on there. So you have both of those options here in this tub. As we head out of the bathroom area, we have our closets right across from here. The first closet door right here is where you're gonna find your hairdryer and your steamer. You're also gonna have the in-room safe there and the extra pillows and blankets along with some additional storage space. And then we have these other two doors with, again, full-length mirrors on there. Inside here, you've got more storage space with a place for some luggage down below. And then we have our closet rod on this side. No accessible height closet rod in here, just the regular full height one. And we do have a couple robes since it is a club level room. Now, as we head into the rest of the room, just past the closet, we have our little coffee station. We've got a Keurig coffee maker in here and the artwork back behind it. Mickey and Minnie having a picnic out on the lawn there at Boardwalk. And actually, if you look at the top by the ice bucket, Pluto is also here. So again, artwork is just so great in these rooms. Down below the Keurig, we have our drawer that has all of the coffee pods and such in it. And then below that, our mini fridge, which is actually a beverage cooler, not an actual fridge, is right down here in this little door. Now, in the rest of the room, we have on the left a chair, and this chair does have one of our little hidden Mickeys on the print in the back. They've got quite a few around these new rooms. And then next to that chair, we've got a dresser and our flat screen TV up there on the wall. Pretty good sized drawers on these dressers in the new rooms here. They've got a decent depth to them, so a decent amount of storage space there on the dresser. And we also have some outlets on the top, wall outlets, USB and USB-C there. Now, across from that dresser and the TV, we have our beds. As you can see, these beds are lower to the ground. They're both queen size beds, no room underneath for storage, but that is a better height, of course, for accessibility. You are a little limited on space on the side over here, this particular side, but there's a lot more space in between the two beds. Also on the wall right over here, there's a button you can push that will open the automatic door opener for the room. Next to each bed, we have a small little nightstand on this side and one also on the other side of the room. And then on the wall, we have some more artwork with Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto looking all dapper there. There are a couple little reading lights built into the headboard on these beds, but if you are using this room for the accessibility features, I'm not sure you'd really be able to reach those if you're sitting, down here on this part of the bed. This particular room does have a window in it in addition to the balcony. Just happens to be in one of the places in the building that does have a window. We've got a couple outlets right over here next to the bed. It's a little bit far away from the little nightstand here, but I think most charging cords, if it's longer than like a 3-foot cord, would be able to reach. You got a single drawer here on this nightstand, and your in-room phone is there as well. And then across from that, we have our couch, and this does pull down into a single bed, a twin size bed. We've got some really fun little throw pillows on the couch, fun Mickey head pattern on those. And to get this bed pulled down, all you have to do is take the throw pillows off and then just pull down on this strap right here. The bed will come down and you'll have that twin size bed taking up no additional footprint here in the room because it's just right on top of the couch cushions. Super easy. Up above the couch, we've got some more artwork. We have Goofy on the boardwalk juggling a variety of interesting things. And of course, Mickey and Minnie once again. They're having a wonderful date day apparently here at the boardwalk. Looks like about sunset time there. And then next to the couch, we have a lamp, and I absolutely adore this lampshade. Great use of the Mickey heads there. When you turn the lamp off, you actually can't see them at all. And they appear when you turn on the light, so it's a great little touch. Our curtains here do have some characters on them. You can see we've got Mickey and Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Pluto all throughout the pattern here. And there is the little ring and the extended rod here on the curtains, so you can use that from a seated position to pull them back. And then our balcony here, I will say it is probably accessible because there is a ramp leading out instead of a step, but not a ton of room. So if you have a chair to bring out here, you might have a hard time with that. If you needed to have the other chair or the little table removed so that you could actually come out here with your wheelchair, the cast members would be able to pull that out for the duration of your stay if you needed them to. So not a ton of room for a wheelchair plus the chair that's out here, but you do have a small little balcony overlooking the gardens down there. And that's going to conclude our tour of this accessible club level room here at Disney's Boardwalk Inn.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for all of our other room tours. We've got almost every room on Walt Disney World property, in addition to other Disney destinations and Disney Cruise Line. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.